What if I told you that you're using pointers all the time in Java, Python, and C#, you just don't see them. But in C++ you have no choice. Why? Let's break it down. What are pointers? Imagine you have a house, which is your data. Instead of carrying the house around, you just share the address. That's what a pointer does. It stores the location, not the value itself. Other languages manage memory for you, so you never even see pointers. By the way, if you want a full beginner's tutorial on pointers, check the link in the description. C++ versus other languages. In C++, normal variables use value semantics, meaning when you assign a variable, it makes an actual copy. In contrast, languages like Java use references, meaning the assignment only updates the memory address, not the actual object. References internally are still pointers, but developers don't interact with them directly. Automatic memory management. Java, Python, and C# have automatic memory management. They use garbage collection to automatically clean up unused memory. C++ does not have garbage collection, so developers must manually manage memory. Why C++ needs pointers? Reason number 1 is performance and control. C++ is built for speed. That's why it powers game engines, operating systems, and high-frequency trading software, places where milliseconds matter. Unlike garbage-collected languages, C++ lets you control every bit of memory, making it ultra-efficient. But with great power comes great responsibility. Reason number 2 is low-level access. Operating systems, hardware drivers, and embedded systems need direct memory access. That's why C++ gives you pointers, because sometimes you need to talk directly to the hardware. In conclusion, C++ requires pointers for manual memory management and performance. Other languages use garbage collection and references instead. In C++, you can use smart pointers as a modern solution to memory management. So, what do you think? Should C++ stay the way it is, or would adding garbage collection make it better? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into programming.